Hello friends, if you want to purchase any TutorialsPoint course with the discount, then use coupon code GET20 and get flat 20% on any TutorialsPoint course. I will show you how you can apply the coupon code. Just click on buy now. Here you will see the options for applying coupon code. Just click on it. Just click here and then write get 20 and get flat 20% discount on any TutorialsPoint course. Here you can see the coupon code is applied and here is the discount percentage. You are getting 557 rupees discount with this coupon code.